guys, welcome to Grand Central Terminal. This is so good.
Waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So welcome to the vessel.
Till my shadow through the sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, I will take you to my first ever helicopter ride. So safety first. So in a few, we'll be flying. I'm gonna take you guys with me, okay?
Is how to get out of the tether and your seatbelt if there's an unscheduled landing. Now what's an unscheduled landing? I'll give you an example. Flying over New York City, all of a sudden weather comes up over here in New Jersey. Lightning, thunder, rain. Pilot goes, not safe. I'm gonna land at a heliport in New York City. Which good, safety first, that's what we want.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wasteland. And on we'll go.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, we will go to Niagara Falls. So it is like 6 to 7 hours from New York City. Currently we're driving and I will just update you. The closer I can get to Canada.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow through the sun rays. And on
this video and I'll see you on my next #10 adventure. Bye!